Hey gardeners, it's great to see you all back here. Welcome to another exciting episode from the Gardening Guru. We're thrilled to have you join us. Today I'm diving into some top tips for planning your summer garden. This is the perfect time to get organized and make sure your garden thrives in the warmer months. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these pointers will help you make the most of your summer growing season. There's always something new to learn, no matter your experience level. First off, let's talk about selecting your summer crops. This is a crucial step that can determine the success of your garden. When choosing what to plant, consider three key factors: heat tolerance, water requirements, and days to maturity. These elements will guide you in picking the best crops for your garden. For instance, tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants thrive in the heat and need consistent watering. These are excellent choices for a summer garden. Look for varieties labeled as heat tolerant or drought resistant if you're in a particularly hot and dry area. These plants are bred to withstand tough conditions. Next, let's discuss succession planting. This technique can significantly boost your garden's productivity. This technique involves planting new crops in the spaces where previous ones have finished their cycle. It's a smart way to keep your garden continuously producing. By doing this, you ensure a continuous harvest throughout the season and make efficient use of your garden space. It's all about maximizing your garden's potential. For example, after harvesting your early lettuce, you can plant beans or squash on that spot. This keeps your garden beds active and productive. It's a great way to keep your garden productive and diverse. A variety of crops can also help with pest management and soil health. Now let's move on to adjusting your garden layout for summer. This is an important step to ensure your plants get what they need. As the season changes, so do the needs of your plants. Adjusting your layout can help accommodate these changes. Consider rearranging your garden to optimize space and improve crop growth. This can make a big difference in your garden's success. Taller plants like sunflowers can provide shade for more delicate crops, while climbing plants like cucumbers can be trained on trellises to save ground space. This strategic placement can help all your plants thrive. This strategic placement can lead to healthier and more abundant yields. A well-planned garden is a productive garden. Watering and maintenance are crucial during the hot summer months. Proper care can make all the difference. Deep watering is essential to encourage roots to grow deeper into the soil, making your plants more resilient. This helps them withstand heat and drought. Mulching is another excellent practice, as it helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. It also adds organic matter to the soil as it breaks down. Regular maintenance, like checking for pests and diseases, will keep your garden thriving. Early detection can prevent major problems. That's it for today's episode on summer garden planning. We hope these tips help you create a beautiful and productive garden. Remember to comment below with any additional questions or topics you'd like to learn more about. We love hearing from our gardening community. And for more weekly tips from the Gardening Guru, be sure to like and subscribe. Happy gardening, everyone. See you next time.